Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cubing Lab, and today in this video I will solve this super 4x4x4 mask cube. So this is a 4x4 mask Rubik's cube, and we can solve this cube some little bit simple 4x4 Rubik's cube, and we can also use some little bit technique this 3x3 Rubik's cube as when we solve this middle layer by using these top layer pieces, and also we can use this cube technique as you can see when we replace these two edge pieces to each other. So we apply algorithm, and same this algorithm we will apply in this cube. So this is 4x4x4 mask cube, and in this cube these are our edge pieces. As you can see, these two pieces are our edge pieces, and when we scramble our cube, and we can also destroy our these edge pieces like that. You can see our edge pieces are also rotating, and in every side we have three color pieces like that. So these are our corner pieces. As you can see, these arrow stickers, so these are our corner pieces. And in this cube we have center, so this is our center, but in this cube we have no need to solve our center pieces because in every side we have common color. So when we scramble our cube, and you can see our center pieces are not uh, scrambling because in every side we have same color center pieces. Now I will scramble this cube and then I will solve this cube. So I have scrambled my cube, and you can see in this cube when we scramble this cube our center pieces are remain on proper places because in every side we have common color. If we rotate cube from any side, our center will not be scrambled, but in this cube our edge pieces, you can see this is pink piece and this is also second pink piece. So our edge pieces are destroyed same a simple 4x4 Rubik's cube. So when we start to solve this cube, so our first step that we will solve our edge pieces. In this cube we will solve our edge pieces by using this middle portion. So these two uh, second and third layer, so this is our middle portion, and we will use these pieces and we will solve our edge pieces. For example, this is green piece, so in this middle portion we will find any other green piece. Okay, now you can see this is green and this is also green, but this is light green and this is dark green. So we will leave this piece and we will try another piece. So this is white piece, and we will find another white piece in this middle portion. Okay, so you can see this is white and this is also white. First we will bring it close like that, and you can see we can match these two pieces easily like that. Now you can see we have fixed one edge piece. So in this cube when we solve our edge piece, we will save our edge pieces in our top layer. So this is our solved edge piece. We will bring this right layer up like that and rotate this top portion and hide this solved edge piece like that and bring any extra edge piece in this middle portion. So you can see we have saved our one edge piece. So once again we will find another color. and you can see in this portion we have no any option. So one option we have, we can match this purple with this purple. So first we will rotate this layer like that, and now we will match these two purple color as like that. So we have fixed another edge piece. So how we will fix this edge piece in this top layer? So we will keep this solved edge piece in this right portion, right layer like that, and now we will rotate this right layer up, then this top layer rotate like that, and you can see this extra edge piece we have fixed in this portion and bring it down. So you can see we have saved two edge pieces. Again we will find another edge piece that we can solve. So you can see no, this is light green and this is purple. We will find another piece. So in this time we have no any extra piece. So we will save these two edge pieces in this side, and we will rotate this layer as like that. So this is orange, and in this layer this is also orange. Okay, these two are saved. Now you can see we have available two red pieces and two orange pieces. So if we rotate these top two layer like that and match red with orange and apply same simple 4 by 4 algorithm, R U R prime F R prime F prime and then R, and now we will match orange with orange. You can see we have solved two edge pieces. Now we will save these two edge pieces in our top layer. So first we will keep solved edge piece in this right layer like that. Now we will bring this edge piece up, rotate this top portion and bring this extra piece in this portion, and similar we will save this edge piece in this top position. So first we will keep last extra edge piece in our front and solved edge piece in this right layer and bring this layer up, rotate this top portion like that and bring it down. Okay, now you can see we have saved our four edge pieces in our top portion. So these four edge pieces we have solved. Now we will rotate our cube like that, and again we will solve four edge pieces and we will save these four edge pieces in this top portion. So first we will find any option. Okay, you can see these two pink pieces we can match easily. So first match these two edge pieces and bring it up, rotate this layer like that and bring this extra edge piece in down position. So we have saved one edge piece. We will find any other option. Okay, you can see this light green and this is also light green we can match. So first we will match these two edge pieces and keep in this layer solved edge piece like that. Now bring this edge piece up, rotate this top layer anti-clockwise and bring it down this extra edge piece. So this is done, this is done. We will find another edge piece. So this is dark blue and this is light blue. Okay, same case with these two pieces. Now you can see this is blue and this is also blue and this is green and this is also green. So we can rotate this layer like that, and also we can rotate this layer like that and apply simple 4 by 4 algorithm. R U R prime F R prime F prime R, and now we will match green with green. So green is done, blue is also done. Now we will save these two edge pieces in our top portion. First we will keep solved edge piece in this layer. Bring this right side up. Rotate this top layer anti-clockwise and bring it down. So this is saved. Similar we will save this piece, but this is our last edge piece, so we will keep this extra piece in our front like that. And now we will bring this solved edge piece in top layer, rotate this layer like that and replace with this extra edge piece. Now you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, we have solved our 8 edge pieces, and now we have left with these 4 edge pieces. So first we will match any edge pieces. We can check this blue with blue, so blue is not matching. We can check this light purple, so this is also not matching. Check this yellow, so this is not matching, and also this is white, and this is also not matching. So first we will match two any same color pieces like that. This is blue and yellow, so this is also blue and yellow. You can see, if we match like that, so one edge piece we have done, and we have done also this edge piece. So we have solved these two opposite edge pieces, and now we will solve these two opposite edge pieces. So first we will bring this layer close like that, and you can see we have created same situation, simple 4x4. If we find this kind of situation like that, so you can see this is done, this is done, these 4 are done, and these also done, but these two last edge pieces, you can see these two are opposite to each other. You can see in this portion blue in this top second layer, and second blue edge piece in this down layer. First we will keep these same color pieces in same line. So hold cube like that and apply R prime, U, F prime, and you can see these are in same line, blue blue in one line and this white white in same line. Now we will apply same simple 4x4 Rubik's cube trick. We will fix this piece in this portion like that and apply same simple 4x4 algorithm: R, U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R. So our algorithm is done. Now we will just match this middle layer. So you can see we have also done this middle layer. So we have solved our 12 edge pieces, 1 2 3 4, similar 4 in this bottom layer and 4 in this middle portion. So our first step is complete. We have solved our all edge pieces. Okay, so our first step we have done. As you can see, we have solved our all edge pieces. Now our second step, we will solve our any first layer. So we can select any one edge piece. We can select this blue, light purple, light blue, off white, yellow. So we can select any one edge piece. For example, if I select this pink edge piece, so first we will fix any corner piece. In this we have any pink arrow, so we will find in our this bottom layer. As you can see, we have one pink arrow in this piece, corner piece. Simply we will bring it up. So you can see we have matched with these two edge pieces one corner piece. Now rotate cube like that, and we will find what kind of arrow what in this corner. So you can see in this side we have light blue corner. It's mean we will fix in this side light blue edge piece. So we have light blue edge piece in this side. Simply we will bring it up, and you can see this is done, this is done. Now we will match any corner piece in which we have light blue color. So you can see we have one light blue color in this corner piece. So hold cube like that and apply same 3 by 3 algorithm, r prime d prime r d. R prime d prime r d, r prime d prime r d, r prime d prime r d. So you can see blue match with blue. Now rotate cube like in this position, and you can see we have find purple corner. It's mean we will fix this purple piece in this portion. Okay, first we will bring this purple piece in this down layer like that, and rotate this layer like that. And now we will fix this purple edge piece with this purple corner. But you can see we have solved this layer. First we will rotate this layer like that and hide this portion in this safe position. And now we will bring this purple layer up like that. So we have matched purple with purple, and now we will rotate back this layer. Okay, you can see our layer is solving. So this is done, and now we will match any corner piece in which we have purple sticker. So you can see in this corner we have one purple sticker. So if we match this purple sticker like that, so this is done, but this is rotated. So we will fix this purple piece by using 3 by 3 algorithm, r prime d prime r d, 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 r prime d prime r d. So this is also done, and now we have left with last edge piece. So you can see in this side we have green sticker. It's mean we will fix any green edge piece in this position. First we will find green edge piece in our bottom layer. So you can see this is our green edge piece, but this is light green. We need dark green edge piece. Okay, we have dark green edge piece in this position like that. Okay, so first we need to bring this green edge piece in this portion. So bring this piece in this position, rotate this layer like that and like that. So you can see our green piece we have in this in our bottom layer. So how we will fix this green piece with this corner? First we will hide this portion like that. So this is hide. Now we will simply bring up this portion, bring this back and bring this portion back. So green is done. Now we have left with last green corner. So we will fix in this portion any corner piece in which we have green sticker. Okay, now you can see we have green sticker and also we have pink sticker. In this side we have pink and in this side we have green. So simply r prime d prime r d. Okay, now you can see we have solved our this top layer. Our green setup, our pink setup, blue and purple. So we have done our this first layer, and now we will hold cube like that and we will solve this middle portion. As you can see, yellow is matching properly, white is matching properly, orange is matching properly, and in this side we will match light white color. As you can see, this is our light white, so we can match this color with this simply 3 by 3 trick. So bring this up and match with this and bring this layer in down. So this is match, this is also match, this is also. So you can see this is same 3 by 3 Rubik's cube trick. Like that you can see this is red and green, and we need to fix this piece in this portion. So how we will fix? We will take out of the way, bring this layer up, bring this back, match with this, and then we will fit this in this portion. So this is done. This is orange and blue, so you can see match blue with blue, and orange we need to fix in this side. So take out of the way, bring this side up, match with this, and so similar we can solve in this cube. Same, we can use same trick. So you can see this is solved, this is solved, this is, and we have solved our this middle portion. Now we have left with this top layer. So this is our last and top layer, and this is some little bit tricky. So first we will match any one corner piece with any one edge piece. So in this side this is orange. First we will rotate this top layer and try to match orange. So we cannot match orange with orange. So this is white, and rotate this top layer. So we also cannot match white with white. This is yellow. So yellow is also not matching, and this is light white color, and this is also not matching. Now you can see any one corner piece we cannot match with any one edge piece. So hold cube like that and apply same 3 by 3 algorithm. R U R prime U R U2 R prime, and now we will try to match any one edge piece, corner piece, sorry. So our algorithm is complete, and now we will try to match any one edge piece. So this is orange, orange is not matching. Try to this light white color, this is also not matching. Try it with yellow. Okay, now you can see we have find one corner piece by matching with this middle portion. So keep this portion in this side and apply same algorithm, and we need to fix all corner properly. As you can see, yellow matching with yellow, and you can see in this side we have green sticker. So we need to fix any one corner piece in which we have one green sticker. As you can see in this side we have no any green sticker. It's mean only one corner we are matching properly. So hold cube like that and apply algorithm 3 by 3 algorithm. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. We have done our algorithm, and we will find. So yellow is matching properly, we have green sticker, but in this corner we have no any green sticker. It's mean we will again apply same algorithm. So hold cube like that. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. Okay, now you can see yellow is matching properly. In this side we have green, and we also have green in this side. And when we rotate this corner, when we match this white with this white, red with this red, and green with this green, so you can see our red sticker will facing in this portion. It's mean we will need next red corner piece. So you can see in this side we have red sticker. when we match red with red, orange with orange, so blue will facing in this portion. So we have also blue in this side. It's mean we have fixed all corners properly. So sometime we can find any error in this layer. So first I will show you error. Okay, so sometime we find this kind of error. As you can see, yellow is matching properly, and in this side green sticker is facing in this side. It's mean we need in this portion any corner in which we have green sticker. As you can see, this is green, so you can see in this side we have also green sticker. When we rotate this sticker like that, when we match this white with white, this green will facing with this green, so we have left with red sticker. So red sticker will facing in this portion. So from next we will need any one corner piece in which we have red piece. So you can see in this side we have no any red piece, so our red corner piece is in this portion. It's mean our two corners are in proper position and these two are not in proper position, because you can see this is light purple and in this side we have no any light purple sticker. So when we find this kind of error, so it's mean this is our wrong corner. So we will leave this corner and we will try to match any other corner piece. So as you can see, this is blue, we can try to match blue with blue. So there is no any blue, and you can see this is white and we can try white with white. Okay, now you can see we have matched white with white. So now we will try from this corner. So this is white and white is matching properly, and you can see in this side we have light purple. So we need to, in this corner we need light purple sticker. So hold cube like that and we'll apply same algorithm U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. Okay, now we will check. So white is matching properly. So this is our light purple, and in this side we can see we have also light purple. So when we rotate this corner like that, so white will face in this portion, yellow match with yellow, and we will left with green sticker. So green will facing in this side. It's mean in which in this corner we need green sticker. So you can see we also have green sticker. When we rotate this corner like that, so you can see green match with green, this light white match with this light, and we left with red, and red is also available in this side. So now we have fixed all four corner in proper places, and now we will match all corners. So this is red sticker, so red is facing, so we will rotate this corner. So hold cube like that, apply algorithm R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. So our algorithm is done, and you can see we have fixed these two red pieces. Now we will rotate this layer in this portion, and now you can see green is facing in this side. So we will rotate this corner and we will match green with this in this side green. Again apply same algorithm R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. Okay, so you can see our cube is in on its proper position, and this is done. These two are matching properly. Just focus on this corner pieces. We will fix our edge pieces in our next step. And you can see we have fixed our green pair and also our red. So our all corners we have fixed properly. now we will rotate these edge pieces. So you can see this blue is fixed properly. We will leave it, and you can see if we replace these two edge pieces, so red match with red, and this off white will this light purple will rotate in this side, and next time we will apply same algorithm and light purple will fix in this portion and this green will fix in this side. So this is same case as you can see in this 2 by 2 by 3 Rubik's cube. So we need to rotate these green and orange pieces. We need to fix green in this side and orange in this side. So when we need to rotate these two pieces, we hold cube like that and we will apply algorithm R2 U R2 U R2 U2 R2 U2 R2 U R2 U prime R2. So you can see these two pieces we have replaced to each other. So similar in this cube we will use same trick. So this is done, and now we will replace these two pieces, hold cube like that, one piece we keep in our front and in one in our right side. R2 U R2 U R2 U2 R2 U2 R2 U R2 U prime R2. So this is done, this is done. Now just rotate this top layer, and you can see in this side we have mixed our cube, but when we will match these two pieces, so our this portion will also solve. So now you can see we can replace green and light purple to each other. So again hold cube like that and apply same algorithm. R2 U R2 U R2 U2 R2 U2 R2 U R2 U prime R2. So now we have solved our this top layer, and just we will match this middle portion by rotating like that. Okay, now we will check. This is done, this is done, this is done, this is done, and our cube is done. So we have solved our cube, but at the end sometime we can find one parity. So I will just show you. So sometime when we solve this top layer, so you can see we have left just with these two edge pieces. So if we replace these two edge pieces, we replace red and green. So hold cube like that and apply algorithm R2 U R2 U R2 U2 R2 U2 R2 U R2 U prime R2. So now you can see our top layer is done, and in this cube at the end we have find this kind of parity. So you can see these two yellow edge pieces we need to fix in this portion, and these two white we need to fix. So these two we have replaced to each other. So in this cube when we need to rotate these two edge pieces, so we can use technique R2 U2 R2 U2 R2 U2. So in this cube we can use this kind of technique, but when we find same parity in this cube, you can see we need these two white fixed in this portion and these two yellow fixed in this portion. If we will apply R2 U2 R2 U2 R2 u2. So we can exchange these two pieces to each other, but from any other side we will find again this kind of parity. So in this cube we cannot solve this parity by using this algorithm. Now you can see we have solved these two, but these two are rotating each other. So in this cube when we find this kind of parity, so hold cube like that. One edge piece we need to swap with this edge piece. One we will place in our left side, one we will place in our right side, and hold cube like that. So hold cube like that, and from this position we will apply this algorithm. So we will rotate these two layer like that. So we can say double u. So double u2, I mean 2 time we need to rotate clockwise. Then we will rotate this right layer 2 time anti-clockwise, 1 and 2, I mean double r prime. Then this front layer we will rotate clockwise, so f1 f2. And now we will rotate again these two layer, I mean double u2, 1 2. And this time we will rotate this single layer 2 time, I mean u2, 1 and 2. And now we will apply f prime 2 time, 1 and 2. And now we will apply right side 2 time clockwise, r2, r1, r2. And now we will just rotate these two layer 2 time, double u2, 1 and 2. So we have done our algorithm and we have fixed our parity. So you can see our cube we have solved. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video and do comments.